Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Discover how zero-based budgeting can transform your money management. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to allocate every dollar effectively and achieve your financial goals. Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of zero-based budgeting, a powerful financial strategy that can help you take control of your money. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase or just want to manage your monthly expenses better, understanding zero-based budgeting is essential. So what exactly is zero-based budgeting? Unlike traditional budgeting methods, where you may start with your previous month's spending as a baseline, zero-based budgeting requires you to start from scratch each month. This means that every dollar you earn is allocated to specific expenses, savings, or debt repayments, resulting in a budget that balances to zero by the end of the month. Let's break down how zero-based budgeting works. First, you'll begin by calculating your total income for the month. Next, list all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries. After that, allocate every dollar of your income to these expenses, savings, or debt payments. The goal is to ensure that your total income minus your total expenses equals zero, meaning that every dollar has a purpose. Zero-based budgeting, ZBB, offers a structured approach to managing finances that empowers individuals and organizations to take control of their financial health. By requiring that every dollar earned is allocated to specific expenses or savings goals, ZBB enhances awareness of spending habits. This level of scrutiny not only helps in prioritizing essential expenses, but also sheds light on unnecessary expenditures, allowing for more informed decision-making. As a result, individuals can identify areas where they can cut back, leading to significant savings over time. This method encourages a disciplined approach to budgeting, ensuring that funds are utilized effectively and efficiently. Moreover, zero-based budgeting cultivates a proactive financial mindset, prompting individuals to think critically about their financial choices. It encourages regular reviews of financial goals and spending patterns, fostering a deeper understanding of personal finance. This continuous evaluation can lead to smarter investments and saving strategies, ultimately paving the way for long-term financial stability. By adopting ZBB, not only do you gain a clearer picture of your current financial situation, but you also empower yourself to make more intentional financial decisions that align with your future aspirations. While zero-based budgeting has many advantages, it's not without its challenges. One common issue is the time it takes to set up and maintain. Each month requires careful planning and diligence to ensure your budget remains accurate. Additionally, unexpected expenses can throw off your budget, requiring you to adjust your allocations frequently. However, with practice, you can develop a system that works for you. Ready to get started? Begin by tracking your income and expenses for a month to understand your financial landscape. Next, choose a budgeting method that suits you. Whether it's using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or pen and paper, set aside time each month to review and adjust your budget, ensuring it reflects your current financial situation. With commitment and consistency, you'll soon reap the rewards of zero-based budgeting. Thanks for watching our video on zero-based budgeting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Share your budgeting experiences in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about taking charge of our finances.